This is how you repair an FMF 4.1 factory exhaust. As you can see, a little crash caused to end a broken end pipe. Well, I got a carbon one, I want an aluminium one to go with my aluminium pipe. This is how you fit it. Step 1, take the rivets out. Using the bench grinder, this is a 6-inch bench grinder, and I think it's Hiker. So as you can see, the pipe is going under some maintenance. We are trying to grind all the marks out. So I'm going to try my best. In the meantime, I have cut my hand a massive divot out, man. Say massive. It's nice. See, look, we're slowly getting to that colour. But there's still a lot of marks in it. So let's try again out with the 6mm bench grinder. As you can see, this safe to touch. Don't touch our bit because our bit hurts. Let's see how. As you can see, that's the finished product. Got the stickers on. They dried up, the stickers did, so I had to put a bit of glue on the bottom. But to be fair, as an extreme enduro rider, the stickers do get battered, as you can tell by the exhaust. But I tried my best because I do like it looking nice. But anyway, if the stickers fall off, it's no dramas. You can buy a replacement sticker. But to be fair, everyone knows there's FMF pipe when you're going flat out right beside them. I'm thinking, yeah, the original FMF bang. But here we have a 4.1 factory restoration, no, I would call it. As you can see, I tried my best to get the scratches out. All them top bits were about, to be fair, because I rushed it a bit. But as you can see, this is a full factory restoration from, come on, walk over there. From this, an old battered carbon fibre. Look right, you can just crumble it. It's battered. To full aluminium pipe. But the stickers are falling off. But who cares about the stickers? All you care about is the pipe, of course. But here we have a 4.1 FMF factory exhaust pipe restoration video coming now. And then what's also coming soon is how to fit your brand new suspension. Stay tuned.